Hello guys, welcome to my channel English Bro Dil Se, and here you can easily see that my channel is giving you provide information that how you can improve your skill, how you can improve your English, okay? Because it's very necessary, it's very mandatory, it's very compulsory that you really should speak English well, at least understand like that you can sit with anyone, talk with anyone. I mean, look, if you doing job in a call center also, they will tell you that you have to talk about American, French, Russian. I mean, you know very well that English is a global language, okay? You know very well that English is a global language. So if you are not adapting this skill that you are fluent speaker, then how you gonna survive? Just tell me how you can survive. Then everyone has an option, and look, India is a 150 crore people, okay? Listen to very carefully. Ordinary people live in India, you can easily see that. Poor people, middle class people, and ordinary people, how they survive in these people. I mean, you can easily understand what kind of poverty out there, okay? You can easily see. So that's why I'm telling you, and I'm just suggesting you that if you really want to a good English speaker, you have to practice daily. And my channel is providing you that how you can fix the problem, how you can solve the problem, because life will give you a many tasks, okay? Life will give you a many tasks, many problem. So if you are not able to solve that problem, then it would be very difficult to survive, okay? So today is my topic that look, Gen Z, I mean people who are born after 1997, which we call are Gen Z. And yes, I'm born in 1996. But you know what? One thing I am seriously telling you. You know, this is a disease. This is just a disease. I really don't know what is Gen Z, Gen Alpha, Gen Z. I mean, what is the actual mean? Okay? Either you are honest or you are liar. Yes? Either you are honest or you are liar. Either you are a good man or a bad man. Either you are clever one or foolish one. So I really don't know what is the meaning of these Gen Z, Gen Alpha, Gen Z. I mean, what does this actually mean? I mean, why people even talk and discuss about this thing that who is Gen Z, who is Gen Z? I mean, I really don't understand. Look, if you are talking something very innovative and very creative, doesn't matter your age is 18 and 19 or 100. It's really fact. I mean, I really don't think so. No one will care that what your age, 18, 19, 100. If you are just giving idea of a very good decision that and your idea is very creative and very innovative, then what is the what is what, I mean, how age matter? Okay, so it's totally rubbish and foolish thing that people who are born. Look, guys, be honest yourself. Be honest yourself. Be humble. Be practical. Yes, be a dreamer. Look, you have to adopt all this ability. Okay, you have to adopt all this ability. And now I really think that there is some disturbing sound out there. So now I really stop here. Okay. So yes, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you very much.